I'm Burp. Hi, I'm Destiny. This is my brother Steven. Get in the picture. We're not going to be singing a song today.
We're going to be doing fart sounds.
We're going to be doing the funniest fart noises my brother can make. Okay, so... Okay, you're first.
See?
Okay, here's me.
See? Oh, good.
Okay.
That's worrying. See?
Alright, they can't see you, dude. Okay. They still can't see you. They still can't see you.
Put on here.
Okay.
Turn this way. I'm gonna make a fart sound. Okay, your turn.
Okay, let me think. I make it better than him with the inside arm. That sounded so real. If you think that fart sound is so real, give us a like or subscribe or comment. Okay, my turn.
Oh, I got you to do it. Yeah. Okay, here's another.
Okay, here's one.
Okay, I can do
Here's
it.
one.
I can make one with my stomach. Yeah. But I can do it.
Okay, I changed the real.
I can't do it.
Okay,
I downed my head.
he just really farted.
No, you didn't.
Do this one, Bob.
Hold on.
Yeah, you gotta stick your hand inside your shirt, doofus.
You have to do what it hurts you. Oh.
Dude, stop. Okay, well that was today's video. We hope you like it. Every Friday we're gonna be doing this really big video. So tune in, watch, and see ya. Say bye bye to the camera, doofus. He said bye bye in part.